Here at Sharma Bullion Gold Buyers, we use high-end technology to test your gold's purity as well as trader-approved scales to weigh your gold. Okay, so we'll be using this chain as an example to show how we would normally test and check the purity of your gold. So here we are using our XRF machine. Now we're going to weigh the gold using our trader-approved scale. Okay, this is what we normally do to give you guys a price for your gold. Once you get to our website, this is our home page. So what you'll want to do to calculate your gold price is just go here at the top where it says calculate gold price. Click on it and it'll open up with our calculator, also the latest rates of gold that we pay. Whatever is on the website is exactly what we'll pay you. Now to calculate, for example, our chain was 18 karat and 9 grams. So we'll just put in that information and click calculate. And your total would be $1,164 basically. In case you have any more items, you can always add more and then calculate according to whatever your gold's purity and weight is.